Hello everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jerich Sison, a third year college student from Sison University, Thailand. So first of all, this application is from ABB. This application is Robot Studio, and this Robot Studio has a lot of robot from ABB. And first of all, I would like to talk about how many robots are there in these applications. First, they have articulated robots, collaborative robots, parallel robots or delta robots, Scera robots, paint robots, positioners, tracks, ASTI model robots. So these applications from ABB has a lot of robots that are from ABB for all the people that wants to learn about robots, and this application can successfully teach us how a robot can work. So first of all, I would like to show you how. For my project, I choose IRB 120 robot from ABB. This robot has a 6-axis robot and a capacity load for 3 kilograms, and this robot weighs about 25 kilograms. So this robot has a 6 axis, and for the first axis is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is an articulated robot. So the second one, for the second step, is to import your equipment, and this is my equipment. This is a sucker equipment that can suck the object and move it from the other side that you want to move it. So, and this is the controller. So first of all, if you never, or if you have mistaken, if you you forgot to put a controller, that your application cannot work. So please be careful. Put a virtual controller in your project, and import geometry. This is an object that for the people have those have an object that outside from the outside. In this application, you can import your objects, what objects that you want. And this one is the frame, and as you can see, a frame is, I'll show you how. This is the frames and the targets. This is all my targets. This one. And the other is a create work object. So for this applications, it's like coding style. So this application that from ABB, this application can code a lot of style. It's from you that what you want to use to code, or you want to manual or automatic coding for the positions of your robot. So this is my gripper, and as you can see, these shapes, this object, I just import here from modeling and the solid. Yes, and you can import your shapes. What shapes do you want? And as you can see here, there's a lot of menus. And here is the simulations. um, yes, and the controllers. For first of all, for your people that using a robot have a flex pendant for teaching the robot. And this is the rapid for the codes. And for my project, first of all, I put my target by create a target. As you can see here, this is my first movement just from home, and it's going one is going to the object that I want to use, and for the third here, and move it from from the different positions or the different sections. Yes, as you can see, this is all the movements. This is the path of the robots, and this is all the movements of my robot. So you can click here to view the robot of the target. It's a reviewer for us to know how the robot works. So first of all, I would like to show you my flex pendant, and this is my flex pendant. So as you can see, my flex pendant, this is the menus, the, the introductions of the flex pendant. As you can see, the input and output, the jogging, whatever it is. and and this is the program data of my robot. This is the codes, the positions of the robot, and the program data. So let's go for the program data. And now I will show you how this works in the flex pendant, and how it it functions in this flex pendant. So first of all, to turn the remote, you should first click this from automatic to manual mode and click enable here, and this screen will change to motors on from guard stop or motors off. So my robot is ready to go. So for this, after you change all the options for turning the motor on to function the robot, click here to pause and play your robot. So I will show you how. I will click the play button now. Oh, what happened? The guard stops. So change it here and enable it. So now go to the program editor and change here as I said to you. Change it to manual mode and turn it to enable. so that the robot can work. And I don't know why the guard just stopped and it's it doesn't change. How? So we will go back for my fix pendant. I'll fix it. So now I'll show you how my robot works. So let's go to the simulations and click the play button to see how my robot works. So I will turn this off so that it you can see it. So go to simulations, play, and it will play automatically. So this is my robot and this is how it functions. And you can see the station signals. This is the I/O simulator. You can click it to go back to the positions that it came from. So for the signal analyzer, I'll click it here, and this is the before or the after we simulate the robot, and I will show you the live of with the signal analyzer. And this is the live of the analyzer of the robot. And so these are all the signal analyzer. As you can see, it's a lot here and here too. So this is my analyzing signals. So after that, I will show you my rapid code. For the rapid code, after you put the positions or the targets, you should click the synchronize to rapid mode to enable the code. So now, as you can see, this is the rapid, and this is the calibration data of the project, and this is the codes, the positions of the robot. Now let's go back to the flex pendant. Let's fix it, how and why it's not functioning. So click here, and now the motor's just on. And why it's on? So first of all, just click it and enable it, and let's wait until it change to motors on. Now it's turned on. So after it turns on, just click the pause and play button. Oh, sorry, I forgot to bring it back from the positions. So I will play it again. Now play. So this is my play pick and place applications from my presentations, and for my mistake about my presentations, sorry about that. Sorry for the wrong information about my robot, about these applications. I hope that you learn from me, and if I have a mistakes, I'm very sorry, and I would like to thank you for listening to my presentations. Thank you very much.